bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn ògidì ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin nǹkan bàbá olóyin jìnnà the only merchant. I'm saying that Yesiota bàbá olóyin pastor Yesiota. See, I've published many books. This is honey as a medicine. Honey as a medicine. After this book, I published this book, African Power. This is my latest book. It's my latest book and it's selling like hotcakes in the market. This is honey as a medicine. This is ọ̀nà àbáyọ sí ìṣòro ẹ̀dá. Solution to woman problems. Solution to woman problem. This is agbára ìwòsàn oyin, healing power for me. All my books are written in English and Yoruba languages. If you don't understand Yoruba, you will see the English version first. In some books, you will see the Yoruba version first. Then you scroll forward. If it is a PDF you buy, that if it is this hard copy, you will see the English version as the second one. So all my books are written in English and Yoruba languages. Today, I want to tell you 3 things you need to keep in your house to see money, to see blessing, and to protect you from enemies. Very simple. You hear it today. Get seated. All these my books, you can get them online. You can get them on your Gmail, email, or WhatsApp. Because some people, they will be giving you excuse. I'm in Germany, I'm in America, I can't get your books. You can get it on your email. Then you print it out on your book or your Disney. Get the books on your Gmail or email or WhatsApp. Print them out in your country. Then you see what we are talking about. This mirror, looking mirror. I told you that I will tell you, I will teach you how you can get back your ex-wife, how you can get back your ex-husband. But I watched some posts. Some people have talked similar things. You can get back your ex with this. You can get back your ex with that. I want you to go and try those ones. I will not reveal this secret again until you try those ones. Try them. When it work for you, me, I don't need to waste my time on teaching you this thing. A man came to me at Yesiota yesterday. The husband, the wife packed out of the matrimonial home because the man happened to marry second wife. He gave me phone. I called the wife myself. The way you pack out is so good. Try to be concerned with your husband. Tell him she will think about it. So this is it. I want you that you are following other people. Not to know that some people are thieves. They are stealing people's video to load on their video. Try what they taught you. If I release this secret again, they will put it on their channel as if they are the original owner. So, how to get back your ex? They have taught you. More than 10 people have taught you. Go and try their own. You see this thing? This is Eko. Your Igbo people call it Agidi. See it. Ẹ̀kọ́ àṣírí ẹ̀kọ́ kì í tú lójú ewé àṣírí mi kò ní tú lójú ayé. See this agidi pap with leaves. If somebody get court case, our people use it. Àṣírí ẹ̀kọ́ kì í tú lójú ewé. Yes, tá a bá ń jẹ̀kọ a máa ń dárí jewé ni. You can never eat the pap with the leaves. You can't. Tá a bá ń jẹ̀kọ à ń dárí jewé ni. See, this is the pap. It's made of a pap, a corn. You probably call it maize. You can never eat this one and eat the leaves together. No. Tá a bá ń jẹ̀kọ à ń dárí jewé. You open for gbẹnu sọ̀rọ̀. Some people, when they get court case, they use it. Later, if you call me underground, yes. Today, I want to tell you 3 things you need to keep in your house if you need blessing. You need happiness. Yes. These are the 3 things you need. See, this is coconut. You need to put 3 or 4 coconuts in your room, in your bed room. Not only coconut, you need a bottle of honey. Please, please, and please, I beg you in the name of God, don't miss this in your room. Put it in your bedroom. If you know any traditional king in Yoruba land, ask them whether they don't get this under their bed. They used to get this thing under their bed. Honey. Traditional king, they can't do without original honey. This is the 3rd one. Iyọ̀ ìsebẹ̀, cooking salt. Whether you see the wrap one or you see the ball in nylon, just make sure it's under your bedroom. You will never lack good things of life once you put these 3 things under your bed. It's not spiritual. It's not diabolical. This one, if you keep it, it doesn't affect your religion. Please, it's the time come to teach you today. Coconut, you can get 3 or 4. Put it under your bed. A bottle of honey and 1 sachet of salt. If you don't buy sachet, the one they use to wrap in the market, you can buy that 10 naira one if you are in Nigeria. But if you buy this one in supermarket, it's the same thing. Ẹnìkan ló ń diyọ̀, ẹnìkan ní òtù. Somebody will tie the short, somebody will lose it. All your problem will be solved. Somebody used to tie the short, somebody will open it when he or she needs this. Even if it is sachet one, somebody package it. They did night duty over it, did afternoon duty over it, did morning over it in the company. When person needs it, you will lose it. Your problem will be solved. You will be thrown out of your bondage. When we are talking of power, that this book, I told you, in this book, I told you about Eda, return after form. A man came to my office at ESC last week. So as we were talking, he said there are some things that ignorance is a disease. When you don't know something, you are sick again. He said when he married, after 1 year, the wife didn't conceive, didn't get pregnant, was unable to get pregnant. So one woman called him, Mr. Man, you are married over 1 year. Your wife is now unable to get pregnant. What is happening? Saying we are trying. Say you are trying. You are trying, Mr. Man. After 1 year, you are trying. How many times do you near your wife in a day? The man say reply. Sometimes 2 times, 3 times. said the woman was laughing. Say, you have to do it 10 times in a day. 10 times. Even sometimes 20 times. When it happened to me, my husband used to near me. Do it with me 10 times, 20 times. So that's why I was able to get pregnant. This one, when he reach house, me and you are listening, you are funny, you are laughing. It's funny. He called the wife, say, look, the reason why you are not being pregnant for the past 1 year, somebody told me that because I don't move closer to you, I don't do it very well with you, that unless I begin to do it for you like 10 times a day, the woman said, if that is what we make us pregnant, I don't care. But are you not going to retire? I said, I will manage myself. So the man said, from office, every day, he will come home to do 2 times. Before he leave home in the morning, he will do 3 or 4 times. In the night, he will do again. In the middle of the night, he will do. He did it for 3 months, nothing happened again. He told his senior brother, somebody said, don't kill yourself. It's not like that, go and do test. It was doing test. They told the man that the wife was having a dad, return after phone. That all the things we are doing, once it is coming up again, the wife cannot get pregnant. I taught you people how you can use potas for a dad. Potas you use it for a dad. That return after phone. When you meet your wife, all the things will come out again. Either when the woman was still or is still on the bed, either when the woman is still on the bed, or after she has gone outside, her body will wet again. All your things will come out again. Solution to EDA, leukorrhea, is in this book. Those who bought this book, you can bear me out. Yes, it's in this book. Leukorrhea is in this book. Only as a medicine. He said the brother, a senior brother, took him to another herbalist. They prepare medicine for EDA for him and his wife. The wife was able to get pregnant. So sometimes when you are ignorant of what is happening to you in your family, you will be running. Some people, there's no herbalist they don't know in Lagos. There's no prophet they don't know in Lagos. If they just hear one that is said, they will go there. They will go there. Another one advertised on radio or paper, they will still go there. Some people, they will not pay balance. Where they go? And we'll be looking for another place. Some people will collect medicine, they won't use it before they go to try another herbalist. I always tell you about these rules. These rules, in fact, some people, they are coming to my house to get it. These rules, I told you, for diabetes. If you buy my book, you see, you can use it for diabetes. Not only diabetes, these rules, you can use it for rheumatism and arthritis. When you get body pains, you can't do well with your wife. Don't let me deceive you. You can't. You are having body pain. You are not all right. You are having waist pain. You can't do well with your wife. If you know how to use these rules, some people are calling me from London, from America, to send these rules to them. Once you can pay for courier service delivery, no problem. Some people in Nigeria, you can get it in your local area, but where you cannot get it, you pay for it. Then courier service will deliver to you. I told you that when I went to courier office, they said, anytime I send some boys or girls to come and post book, it's only in the east. Say, how do you manage to get Igbo as your customers? Because all these your books, either Port Harcourt, woman here, very fast. Well, I said, you know, when you are honest with you people, you will patronize you. One will tell you, one will tell the other. If you tell Igbo man, this phone can call America, London, Japan, Canada. Once Igbo man can try it, without buying 50,000, 100,000 phone, Igbo man can try 5,000 naira phone. Igbo man will tell other people, See, I don't know that this phone can call on to America. When my phone got fault, I was unable to call people until when somebody told me that this small phone can still call the places I want to call. Only that it cannot browse. See, I have many customers in the East. Right for the time I used to advertise in City People magazine, Punch newspapers, Champion newspapers, Tell magazines, the news magazines. Every Monday, I used to advertise there. So I have got enough customers, and they have tried, and they know my booths are working. So some of them, they said they were surprised when they saw me on YouTube, and then they are now patronizing me because they know that I used to do like this for them. Honesty is the best policy. See, I told you, àṣírí ẹ̀kọ́ ìtúlójú ewé Yorùbá people know how to use it. Ewé kílẹ̀ fi mi say Yorùbá use it. It's not in the book. Don't ask me for it. Because some people will be calling you and you never talk about this àṣírí ẹ̀kọ́ ìtúlójú ewé that if somebody get court case, how you can use these leaves. No, it's not in the book. You come on the ground, we talk about it. Yes. Some people will call you, Daddy, you never talk about stroke. Baba, you never talk about cancer. Baba, you never talk about hepatitis. Look, ìbùkún ni fún ọ̀rọ̀ náà tó ń fọgbọ́n sí. It's a blessing for a man that uses his senses. I can never put stroke in a book. I will never put cancer inside a book. Hepatitis, I will never put it inside a book. If I put it in a book, how much are you ready to pay for it? And some people usually, they get power. They can keep person. Because some people, they are treating stroke. They can charge 10 million, 20 million for stroke and cancer. Then when they hear that you put it inside a 5,000 naira book, they can kill person. And you get power. Ìbẹ̀yìn àgbà o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo Yorùbá yẹn wọ́n lè bu ẹsẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀. Wọ́n má pè pa. A péyàn kéèyàn sùn kọ̀ mọ́ jì mọ́. Méjú bá yín o. Mo ti jáwé ìròyìn oríjìn ẹ̀ forí tèmi jì mí. Tá a bá ń jẹ̀kọ́ àmọ́ ń dárí jewé ni. Yes, tá a bá ń jẹ̀kọ́ àmọ́ ń dárí jewé. Ewé oríjìn ló ní kẹ́ fẹsẹ̀ tèmi Sẹ̀sádé Òsítàtọ́nà. Bàbá olóyin original jì mí. Yorùbá get power. Wọ́n ń retí kọ́bẹ̀ jiná tán ni. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n lè pè burúkú lọ́wọ́. Some people can call somebody in America to come back today. Yes, without carrying any load. If you're in Canada, Yorùbá people can say somebody to come. They can use mirror to ask you to come back or you will come. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, ẹ dáríjì mi o. Gbogbo tí mo bá sọ yìí ẹ dáríjì mi ni o. Tá a bá ń jẹ̀kọ́ àmọ́ ń dáríjì ewé. Ewé oríjìn ló ní kẹ́ fẹsẹ̀ mi jì mọ́. These rules, it has saved many marriages from collapsing. Yes. Sẹ́ẹ̀rí, wọ́n ní yóò jẹ́ olóògbọ́n. Auntie said, when you are suffering or something happen to you, then you say you are wise. They will ask you, who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Yorùbá get one leaf. Ewé ìjókòó jẹ́. Tóyún bá ń bàjẹ́ lára obìnrin. If a woman always get miscarriage, Yorùbá get one leaf. Ewé ìjókòó jẹ́. If a baby cross inside a woman's womb, either a boy or girl inside the woman's womb, either he sit down or he turn his head. It's very advisable when a baby turn upside down like this without leg. If he turn down leg, you call it another name. That's Igiadubi. It's a problem when they want to born that type of child. But when the baby cross, you get one leaf. Dagba ìpamọ́ tí ẹ̀kọ́ máa dúró kòtò. they prepare that as she get for a woman. Ìbẹ̀yìn àgbà o. If somebody get miscarriage, ewé ìjókòó jẹ́ ni mo fi ṣiṣẹ́ fún. It's the person will not get miscarriage again. Don't forget my phone number. And the program I watch is Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. 080, you see my phone number. 08054749455. You see it on the screen. 08054749455. You can send your message on WhatsApp. Sometimes, if you come in from other countries, the service may not be all right. But when you send the message on WhatsApp, I'll be free to reply you. Don't forget what I teach you, or what I've been teaching since morning. Share among friends. And if you like this my program, put it a thumbprint. Say Baba we do. They share among friends and relatives. Anybody you share this program to, tell them Baba is selling booze. I have 4 booze on honey. 4 booze on honey. Honey as a medicine, solution to woman problems, healing power of honey, and the latest one, African power. The money people are giving me on this book, since I've been publishing books since the year 1999, nobody has ever given me money the way they are giving me money on this. Some people will look at this book as a small book. When they open it, say, Baba, many spiritual things they are in the book. You want to know you can use orange peas. You know, bolos and what? Or Marayilola and Loba. Orange cheese normally stay inside bush. It is human beings that labor themselves to go and find it. Or Maria, where your love will shine, they will find you. Your love will shine. People will find you wherever you are. Excess. Whenever any fowls or incubating must find a way to go to the incubating center. How to use excess is here. This thing, the secret of this one is in this book. I told you it's working for diabetes, but I want to tell you one secret again today. It's not in the book, oh. It's not in the book, oh. If you have painful menstruation, whenever you have to have your own period, the whole house will hear you. You will be crying like a baby. You can use this one. It's not in the book, oh. These rules can do 10 things. But I know our people. I can't leak everything like that. But I'm just gisting you. I'm telling you that if you have painful menstruation, you can see. It's not written in the book. Only diabetes and rheumatism, that is what I wrote here. If you need it for breast enlargement, you know, if you don't get breast, your clothes will not get fitting for you. How to use it is here. If you don't have penis enlargement is here. Don't forget, this is Baba Oloyin Original Television. And don't forget to watch my new station, the next station, sister station, Kenny Show Television. Watch it, you see me also there. See many things I posted there. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.